Morning, my dear friends. In today's class, I'll be explaining about the comparative study of Weissen's three important acrylic emulsion. Mr. Ganeshan, he has given me these samples for evaluation. So just I have gone through that and based on the technical data sheets available, I'll be in a position to explain the details so that you can effectively make use of these emulsions suitably. Okay, right. Now, so we have got this Vesicril V86, then V7555, and V8800. So based on the technical sheets provided by Mr. Ganesan, I am explaining these properties. It needs a further evaluation also at your end. So as a product development chemist, probably that is, I would recommend all these three, but you have to select it based on your that is a usage or application. As far as V86 is concerned, the chemical nature is it is a aqueous acrylate polymer, that is copolymer emulsion, and this is exclusively used as a binder for cement mortars, especially in cementitious coatings and admixtures wherever waterproofing is required and plastering is applied. So this emulsion will be very useful. Similarly, when we talk about this vesicryls V7555, this is also an aqueous acrylic system, but this is ester styrene combination. So it's a kind of a copolymer emulsion. So copolymer means when you have got two different types of monomer, there arises copolymer. And as per this vesicryls V7555, this is exclusively used in elastomeric coatings for plasters, masonry work, and again concrete structures, then roof coatings, especially. So wherever water leakage or rainwater leakage is noticed, so this kind of emulsion-based coating will be recommended. So, and this can also be utilized in cementitious and non-cementitious. So that is the advantage also. Then, as far as the Vesicril V8800 is a pure acrylic technology emulsion. So, in fact, this is intended for stone coatings. So, especially it will be useful for development of formulation based on this kind of Vesicril V8800. This will be useful for developing various patterns like texture paints, etc, and this will give you a wet look. So especially for granite coating, so probably I would suggest this kind of Vesicril V8800. And as far as solid contents are concerned, the highest solid content is contributed by V7555, that is 56 plus or minus 1%. The remaining 8800 and 86, they have around 47 percentage of solid weight by weight. Then they have mentioned the Brookfield viscosity also, so you can go through the data. And pH is concerned, that is, all of them are alkaline, and especially the physical V86 is more alkaline than that of the other two. And we have got the MF50 temperature, that is here. Here it is a plus 11, and this is minus 6, and this is plus 19. And when we consider the plasticizer, it is a free from plasticizer, whereas these two, I mean, all these three are free from plasticizer. Then specificity ranges from 1.03 to 1.06, and film appearance, all of them give clear film, but in the case of the stone ware finish, that is a Vesicril V8800, it gives a very hard film. The other remaining soft only. Then the film surface, especially this is non-tacky, the last one, that is this 8800. Whereas the middle one, that is 7555, is a little bit tacky, and this is also tack free, that is V86. And when we consider the flexibility, the first one, that is V86, it has got good flexural strength, and crack resistance. That is very important for roof coatings. But being hot film, we cannot say that because hardness and flexibility will not match. So we cannot focus on this flexibility, because after all, it is going to be applied on hard stones. So we need not worry about the flexibility. Whereas other two are good flexible. And regarding the filler pigment compatibility, the first one, that is this V86, is it has got very good compatibility with the calcite, dolomite, and the silica sand. And this one, that is a V7555, it has got a very good compatibility with the cement, the calcite, dolomite, silica pigments, so that it will improve the that is, it can be further improved by incorporating some additional dispersant also. And the that is stoneware emulsion, that is a vesicle V8800, I mean 00. This is good, especially with normal fillers and pigments that can be used for high sheen paints. And as far as the processing nodes, so we have to consider, that is, it can load. So that is this V786 can be loaded maximum up to 20% on cement, and the pot life is 2 hours. So within that, they have to take it for product, I mean, application. Then we need to add some deformer also and biocides also, being an ecosystem. So the fungal attack will be there. So we have to incorporate necessarily biocide. And being an emulsion, it is of a foaming tendency. So we need to add some deformer so that we can avoid bubbles, aerated bubbles, etc. And similarly, that is in the case of Vesicle 7555, that is, it could be added at the let down stage, that is makeup stage only. And it is a coalescent, some coalescent solvents are needed at low temperature, and we need to add some thickener and deformer and biocides also. Then, as far as stoneware concerned, that is a Vesicle V8800 it is added at the makeup stage, that is at a let down stage. Then it can be, I mean, we need to add some coalescent solvents like butyl salicylate, ethyl salicylate, etc. Along with that, we need to add some thickeners, defoamers, and biocides. So, as far as shelf life is concerned, all of them have 6 months duration. And regarding the packing availability, it is a bulk flexi 240 220 kg in a HBD terms are available. Likewise, all these cases are available. And when you consider the key differences here, just I want to summarize this. V86 is best suitable for cement mortars, wherever cementitious systems are concerned, this can be utilized. So here it has got the high pH, that is alkaline, and it will give you some tack-free film so that it can be effectively utilized in cementitious coatings. Then regarding a 7555, it is more flexible and elastomeric. So it can be allowed for film formation, and especially in cold condition, it can easily form the film. Then V8800, it is a pure acrylic technology, and it has got very good glossy and hardness, and it will give you a wet look. And especially, it is intended for stone coatings, stoneware coatings, or any architectural or granite coating. So this will be the best, uh, emulsion I would suggest. Okay. So if you've got any doubt, you can write to me and get it clarified. And this is available with Wisen Industries. So you can directly contact them. Otherwise, you can contact me also. Okay. Thank you very much.